Hello, and welcome to I Will Become a Millionaire, the YouTube channel that is part financial journey and part education. Today will be my first net worth review video. I will be breaking down where I've invested my money, and I will be setting targets for my next review at the end of September. I currently have a negative net worth, but I will be tracking the movements on this and publishing the results here to keep myself accountable and show you what is working and what is not. So here is the breakdown. I have my student loan debt of negative £14,161.10. My lifetime ISA, which has £6,647.19 in it. And I will be using this to purchase my first house or apartment. I have £645.70 in my Trading 212 account, which is a trading platform. The cash in my bank of £403.25 and £95.40 in my Vanguard as well. And these are the targets for my next net worth review at the end of September, which would mean taking my negative net worth from negative £6,369.56 to negative £3,063.08. Thanks for watching. To hear more from me, subscribe to my channel.